Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 4 from October-November 2023. This is paper 4-3 for extended students. 2 hours and 30 minutes is the time, and here are the instructions. You all know that, right? So let's start. If you are new to the channel and you are watching my videos and getting benefit out of that, so kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Also remember to press the like button and the notification bell so that you can know when is the new video coming. So now let's start. The table shows the amount received when exchanging $100 in some countries. So here we have countries and here is the amount received for $100. So Brad changes $250 to Indian rupees. Calculate the amount he receives correct to the nearest rupee. So now we know that $100 is in exchange rate of Indian rupees is 7437.05 rupees, right? So now we are looking for $250. So $250 here. On other side we will put X that we want to calculate. So cross multiply. So this is going to be X times 100. I'm not writing it here actually. 7.35 times 250 divided by 100, right? So this is 18,592.625. So approximately we can say 18,593. We will leave this decimal part because we are looking for the Indian, to the correct nearest rupees, right? So now part B, Wang changes 5,400 Chinese yuan in dollars. Calculate how much he receives in dollars to the nearest cent. Again we will start with the $100 with the Chinese yuan is 671.20 yuan. So we are looking for now 5,400 Chinese yuan. So see, this is dollar. Now our answer, we need X here, and this is given to us 5,400 yuans, right? Now again you cross multiply, then you are going to get X times this 5,400 times 100 divided by 671.20. So once you calculate this, you are going to get 804.529. So approximately 804.53, right, to the cents. Now part C, Gretel lives in Spain and goes on holiday to Wales. She spends 3,500 euros in total on travel and hotels in the ratio this. Travel and hotel we are given here 4:3. Okay, work out how much Gretel spends in euros on travel. So travel and hotel total amount here is, if you say 4 plus 3 is out of 7. So spend on travel is here, which is 4 out of 3, not 3 out of 7, total is 7 times 3,500, right? 7 times 5, so 5 times 4 is 20. This is 2,000 euros, right? Now work out how much he spends in pounds on hotels. Hotels is 3 out of 7. So on hotels 3/7 times 3,500. So 1,500 pounds, right? So now work out how much he in pounds, right? So this answer is in euros. This is euro. So now we know we will convert that. The second part we are going to $100 is equal to 85.35 euros, right? Here is 85.35 euros. So now we will look for how much is for the rate of the pounds. So are we given, okay, $100 is equal to, we are not given directly that thing, that calculation, so we will take this pounds, right? So now you see 100 pound equal to this, 100 pound equals to this, so that means this euro and these pounds too are equal. That implies, that gives us that 77.05 pounds is equal to 85.35 euros, right? So now we are looking for the euros. 1500 euros is how many pounds? Now you cross multiply. So x is going to be from here 77.05 times 100, we are just cross multiplying this, divided by 85.35. when you calculate this, it comes out to be 1354.13 pounds, right? Now let's see what is our next question. We have here, Gabriel flies from home to Spain, and the plane flies a distance of 2200 kilometers correct to nearest 100 kilometers. The average speed of the plane is this one, correct to the nearest 20 kilometers per hour. Calculate the lower bound of the time taken in hours and in minutes for the flight. So now we have the distance here. The distance is 2200 kilometers, right? And speed is 7440 kilometers per hour, right? So as you know that speed is equal to distance over time, so that means time is distance over speed, right? Distance over speed. Now distance is 2200 and speed is 740. So now we are looking, this is the time, right? Now we are looking for the lower bound of the time. So lower bound of time, to get the lowest answer of this, we have to take lower bound of 2200 over the upper bound of 740. So lower bound of this is going to be, we are going to have the lower bound of this is minus, we are going to subtract here 50 because this is nearest kilometers, so divide by 2, it's 50. So we are going to add 50 for the upper bound and minus 50. So 2550, the lower bound, that is 2150, and upper bound of 750, as this is to the 20 kilometer per hour, so divide by 2, this is 10 kilometers per hour, so we are adding 10 here and subtracting 10 here. 750, this is 740. So lower bound of 740 is upper bound of 740 is 750. So final answer, when you calculate, it comes out to be 2.86. but our answer needs to be, this is hours, right? Our answer needs to be in hours and minutes. So 2 hours plus 0.86 times 60, right? So that will give you the minutes. So the final answer is 2 hours and this is 52 minutes. So 2 hours and 52 minutes is the final answer, right? Now question number 2, we can see that we have a table here. The table shows the number of each type of bird seen in a garden on Monday. So you can see type of bird here, then we have frequency here, pie chart is given, then J, goldfish, J, starfish and robin. Find the percentage of the birds that are starling. So percentage of birds that are starling. So first of all, the total of this is 30, right? And the pie chart, we can complete the pie chart also, so that we can get it out of the percentage. So this can be like, so we can see that starling is 11 out of total 30 times, we can say 100, so that percentage. So once you calculate, this is 36.7. So 36.7% is the answer. Now in the table, complete the column for the pie chart sector angles. For the sector angles, now we will see this is 6 out of 30 and we are looking for out of 360. Okay, so you calculate this, you are going to get 72, right? Then this one here for 11 over 30 times 360, 12, this is 132, 12 times 11. So finally we have 5 out of 30, then how much will be the angle out of 360? So this is 12 times 5, it is 60 degrees. So all these angles are in degrees, right? That's for this question. Now complete the pie chart to show the information in the table. So we have to plot these angles here in the table, right? So let's see. So you can draw an angle of 60 degrees here that represents Robin. Then this one is 72 from here to here, which is J, and the remaining is going to be 132 for the starling, right? So now part C. On Tuesday, the number of goldfinches seen in garden is increased by 262.5%. Calculate the number of goldfish seen on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, so let's check the table again. On Tuesday, we are talking about goldfinches. Goldfinches is we have 8 here. So that is increased by 262%. So 262.5% of on Tuesday we had 8 goldfishes there. So 8 here. So that is 262.5 over 100 times 8. So this is 21. So total number of goldfinches seen on Tuesday is 21. There were 8 before. So total is 29. Remember to add this one once you get this, because the question is calculate the number of goldfinches seen on Tuesday, right? Now D part, one of the most common bird in the world is red-billed quail, which lives in sub-Saharan Africa. There are approximately 1,500 millions in these of these birds in this area. Write 1,500 millions in standard form. So this is not that hard. So 1, 2, 3. So it should be 1.5 into 10 raised to power 3, and then there is millions. So millions means we are going to add 10 power 6. So that gives us answer 1.5 times 10 raised to power 9, right? Now the land area of sub-Saharan Africa is approximately 21.2 million square meters, 21.2 kilometers. Work out the average number of these birds per square kilometer. So 21.2 millions. Millions means times 10 power 6 square kilometer divided by the one that you got, the birds in total birds in C, 1,500 times this millions that we took. So once you calculate this, this comes out to be 70.75. So 70.8 is going to be. So we are multiplying this over here, this millions, and times we have to work out the average of these are per square kilometers. So that's why we are taking this to multiply by 10 raised to power 3 again, which is square kilometer. That gives you this answer finally. Now question number 3, you can see this is question from transformations. So we have this two triangles A and B here. Describe fully the single transformation that maps from triangle A onto triangle B. So from triangle A to B, if you see, if we bring this way, it is a rotation, right? So we have 3 marks question. So you have 3 components or 3 properties to write. Rotation, this is 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and the center, we need to see the center now. So if you see, this one is actually transformed from here. This is, we are going this way, so this is anti-clockwise. Let me just trace this. So this is A, we are going this way. Let me take first the center 0 0, 1 and 2 turns. So 180, I mean 2 turns, but we still don't have the figure there on that particular place where we want it. So now let's say we can move bit the center up there. So let's say I'm bringing it up here. So this is 1 turn and 2 turn, not yet. So then let's say we move this way somewhere here, 1 and 2. So still not there. So let's say we have somewhere up here. So then you see, it's like directly we got this one. So 1 turn. So this is the center now, which is 2 7, 2 and 7, right? So other way of getting the center, you just join these vertices, then you are going to get the center. Draw the image of the triangle A after reflection of y equals to 1. So y equals to 1, first of all we need to draw a line at y equals to 1. Y equals to 1 is this here, where the line like this. So this is y equals to 1, right? We are looking drawing the image of triangle A. Image of triangle A. So see, 1 2 squares up, so 1 2 squares down. Similarly this one here, and then we have here 1 2 3 squares. We can just count it. So this will come over here. So just join this one. So this is B1, right? Part B1. Okay. Now next one, this is done. A translation by vector 5 and -7. Translating A by 5 and 7. I'm taking this top point P, 5 units right and 7 units down. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is here. Then we have 3 squares down like this, and this is the new shape, right? So this is B Roman 2. This is done. Now the enlargement with scale factor of 2 and center -4 5. Center is -4 5. So let me see, negative center is -4 5, -4 and 5. So this is the center, right? So scale factor is 2. So we are going to do the, if this square is P is here, the P dash is going to be 1 square up, because we are multiplying this by 2, right? Then from center 1 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So this is going to come over here like this, and then 2 units this side like here. Okay, so this is our Roman 3. So that is an enlargement. Okay. Now question number 4. Find the size of one interior angle of regular 10-sided polygon. So sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. So n for is 10, 10 minus 2, times 180, which is 8 times 180, 1440. So find the size of one interior angle. So for one angle we will have 14440 divided by 10, because there are 10 different sides. So this is 144, right, degrees. Now part B, we will use circle theorems here. The point A, B, C, D, E lie on the circle. FG is a tangent. This is a tangent. EB is parallel. This and this line is parallel. Find the value of x, y, w, x, y and z. So now as this is parallel, so that means this angle is also going to be w, right? So first of all we have here w angle. We will see this w and this x, they both are w and x, they will be equal because they are in same arc, right? They are in same arc, so these two angles are going to be equal. So now by the alternate segment theorem, if you see, so if we see this angle is 20 and this is going to be 20 by alternate segment theorem. So W is 20 by alternate segment theorem, right? So same is going to be x as 20. So W is 20, x is 20, right? So then we are looking for y. So for y we can have, if this is W, this is going to be 20, right? And this is 25. So then we can see this and this and this we just calculated 25. So we can use this triangle, right? So in this triangle, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, 25 plus y, this whole angle, plus 20 plus 75 will be equal to 360. So from here y comes out to be 360 minus 25 plus this is 45 plus 75, this comes out to be sorry, not 360, we are talking about triangle. So this is going to be 180. So 180, this is 180, 180 minus 120 is 60. So this is going to be 60. Now we are left with the z angle is here. So this angle we got here, and this angle is 60 degree. Angle y is 60. Now if you see, this angle is 60 and then we are looking for this angle. So first we can calculate this one, as we have this 60 plus 20 is going to be 80, 80 105, 105 plus 20, 105 plus 20 is 125. So this total is 180. So 180 minus 125, 10 minus 5, this is 7 minus 2, 55. 55. Now we can have this side. So from here, when you take the sum of all these angles, so that gives us angle of 45 degrees, right?